today I need you to go collect some supplies. You're going to need a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, let me know. We'll figure something out for you. And you need a circle. So if you have a template, go ahead, find that. I'm going to use my, it's my Marine Corps cup. I use it for everything crafts in my supplies. Caitlin's going to use the tape. Awesome. That's perfect. So we're going to use that and a pencil and a stomp. So these are the supplies you need. Excellent. We have a protractor. Is that what that thing is called? Let's see here. We're going to create a beautiful piece of, today you could just have a white piece of paper. Okay, it's important that it's white. That way when we do our shading, it will turn out to be this beautiful fan. All right, so decide where on your paper, I have all this dirt on my paper. Look, I'm gonna flip it over. Decide on your paper where you want to do your circle and go ahead and trace it. And you can do it pretty dark. Usually I say draw real light, but today we want extra graphite. So I'm gonna go around my circle about 2 or 3 times. There we go, a nice dark crisp circle. Beautiful, yes, you guys are awesome. Yes, indeed. Find the center of your circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try as hard as you can to find the center. Okay, once you have the center, go ahead and get your ruler and draw a line right down the middle of your, you hear my pencil squeak against that ruler? Try to make your lines dark, okay? We really want that graphite in this lesson. So make it as dark as you can. And I'm gonna try to keep my hands off so I don't wipe my graphite all over the place. I am using, oh goodness, I'm using a 5B pencil today. Whew. So that means it's gonna be a darker graphite than normal. You know what? I can push my camera down. That way I can see you guys. There we go. There we go. I did it. Yes. Everybody give me a thumbs up when you have one line. One line. One line. Good. Okay. Now what I want you to do is find the center again and go the opposite direction. Okay. Go the opposite direction. Yes. You guys are doing awesome. I think mine is a little higher than I wanted it, but that's okay. We'll just turn it a little. Now it looks normal. No. It's okay. Not a problem. Now, what do we do from there? We're gonna pretend like this is a piece of a big giant pizza, and we're gonna cut slices. So go ahead and cut each section right down the middle. So then you should have 8 pieces, 8 slices, yum, yum, yum. Okay, all right, you got it already? Awesome, awesome, awesome. I gotta blow some of that graphite off since I'm using a 5B, I was gonna say 6B, but let's see here. I'm gonna erase any little lines that went over and any graphite making a mess on my paper. So make it clean, make it clean. Oh, good, you're using a 2B? Okay, good. I like that. Very cool. I'm giving you a thumbs up. That's my happy thumbs up. Like my Mike Wazowski. He's a happy guy. He's so happy. He's so happy. So are my happy dudes. Happy dudes. I see you. Whoa. That just freaked the camera out, didn't it? Whoa. That was fun. We had fun on that one. Okay, everybody ready? You did it. Your mission, nope. Okay, I'll give you a second. I'll give you a second. Let's see here. I'll give you a second. I'll get my green guy collection out. My green guys want to say hi. I have a few green guys. Oh, Caitlin, awesome. Awesome. Yeah, buddy, that is so cool. I'm going to start and I'm going to make like the number 7. So I'm just taking it from the top, curving over, and then pull it right down to that center of the pizza. So I'm just going to do as many as it takes to fill in this space. Okay, I'm trying to make the number 7, and don't make it a sharp 7, kind of curve that, okay? And it is kind of sloppy. That's okay. We're just having some relaxed fun with lines, okay? So then now you can do it with me. Start on the left side. You're going to make the number 7, curve it over, and then bring it down to that center. Okay, then go down just a little smidge and do that again. That's all we're doing here. I'm not pressing down really hard on my pencil. I'm just relaxed, having a good time, bringing those down. And you can do as many as you can to fill in that space. Okay, and you'll notice the more you do this, the better they're gonna look. You're gonna go, oh wait, my first one doesn't look that great, but the last one looks really awesome. And that's because you're warming up all your muscles in your hands. Okay. Yes, you did it. Look at that. Yay. That's excellent. Now we just get to do it all 8 slices of pizza here. The same technique over and down. It's going to require a stomp. If you do not have a stomp, get a Kleenex and just put it over your finger. Okay. Don't use your finger. Gross. You ruin your artwork when you use your finger oils. Ew, where's that finger been? Ew, that's just gross. There you go. Grab a stomp. Okay, now watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. See this right here, my number 7. Okay, see my number 7? I'm going to start up in this corner. And I'm going to follow all those curves all the way down. Do you see how I did that? Just smooth it out. And then I'm going to just stroke all the lines down to the center underneath that. Don't touch the lines out here. Don't touch the top of the 7, only where it turns down toward the center. And I'm just going to rub a couple of times back and forth, blending it, getting a really smooth feel to it. And then I can turn my art and do the next one. So I'm going to just go down that curve and then blend these in. Look at that. And I'm going to make sure to blend that center. Okay, blend the center. You don't want it all crispy and white. You want it nice and blended. Okay, this is looking really good. What? I love doing illusions. It's so much fun. Let's see here, I'm blending. This goes pretty quick, so this is something you can do when you're sitting, waiting around for your Wi-Fi to turn back on. Right, Mr. Mark? That's so fun, right? It's kind of sad when you have a little hiccup. I'm curving and going down. This is fast paced. I have 3 fans on in my room, so here makes 4. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, that's beautiful.